Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the float switch in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a 5/16" nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, turn off the power to the dishwasher. Use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the two screws, securing the lower access panel and toe panel to the frame. With the screws unthreaded, you can set the panels aside. Pull out the remaining insulation. Depress the side retaining clips so you can pull the drip tray forward. Release the tabs and fully detach the float switch from the tray. Disconnect the wire connector and fully remove the old switch. To install the new float switch, first connect the wire connector. Partially reposition the drip tray and snap the switch into the tray. Now fully reposition the tray, snapping it into place. Realign the insulation. Now realign the toe panel and insulation. Then reposition the access panel and thread the two screws to secure. Turn the power supply back on, and the dishwasher should be ready for use.